Royal was founded on a dream to design and build the best cooking equipment possible. Upgrade your kitchen today with Royal products so you can put more time into what makes up your dream menu. Royal, engineered for excellence. Introducing the Royal Gas Countertop Radiant Charbroiler. The Royal low-profile countertop Radiant Charbroiler front ledge is only 11 inches high, allowing the unit to fit ideally on a refrigerated base or equipment stand for a perfect working height. The RRB Charbroilers come with heavy-duty 4-inch legs. The Charbroiler comes with a unique removable Firebox, which is isolated from the body and can be replaced if needed. A Royal exclusive. The removable Firebox also helps capture the heat in the cooking area, allowing for more effective cooking and helps keep the front and sides cool. Royal counter equipment is available in 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72-inch widths to meet any operator's needs. Royal Charbroilers are available with a 31-inch depth or in a shorter 25.5-inch snack depth. Royal Charbroilers come standard with stainless steel front and sides and an extra deep stainless steel drip pan. Stainless steel flex gas tubing is standard and is far superior to industry standard aluminum tubing. All Royal counter equipment is covered by a 2-year parts and labor warranty. The Royal Gas Countertop Equipment, engineered for excellence. For further information regarding all our gas countertop equipment, please contact Royal Customer Service at 951-360-1600 or email us at customerservice@royalranges.com.